website tips from FindNet Solutions. Image size is very, very important. Not to have too large images for your website. The larger they are, the slower the page loads, and Google hates slow loading pages and will penalize you for it. So I'm just going to run through what's best because you really want to rename your images, so make them meaningful names. Then you want to resize them and you want to compress them before you upload them into your website and use them. So I'll just go to our client's website, which is Camoa, and this image here was I lost it. Was this image here, and I downloaded it because if we have a look in the media file, it's 2 meg in size. It's huge. It's 2,500 pixels wide. So that's 3 times wider than my screen is now. It doesn't need to be anywhere near that because this is the page that it's on. Okay. So what we do is we need to grab this image and we copy and paste it. We open a new browser. I just grab it and open a new browser, and there's the image there. I'm going to save the image just to my downloads, and to save to my downloads. I'm going to grab the image, and you might just grab this image from your file or from your camera or something like that, and I'm going to edit this and resize it. Now there's a lot of different imaging tools, but with Mac it's easy. You just go in preview, you just go to tools, adjust size, and I'm going to change this because the maximum size is going to need this ever is 800. So there's 800 by 555. So now we've got that saved there. And it's already a JPEG, which is better. You don't want to have it as a PNG unless you need a transparent background because it'll be 4 times larger. So I'll just close that because it's in my downloads. And it's in my downloads to here, and there it is there. So we've resized it. I'm going to rename it. And it's Q5 is the heifer's name, and it's a Camoa stud. I'll just put a dash in there. Camoa stud, and it's a heifer. So I'll get rid of that other heifer. So now it's renamed something meaningful. Now we're going to use another tool, and this is a free tool. It's called Tiny PNG, but what I'll do is I'll just grab the image from downloads, that one there, and you see that it's reduced it by nearly 1/3. So originally it started out, if we have a look in the media file, at 2 meg, and now we're going to download it at 110K. So that's huge. So that's 69% just by compressing it. That was before we resized it. This is what happened after we resized it. It went from 2 meg to 358K. We just compressed it, now it's 110K. So we're going to download it, and we're going to upload this into the website now. So we're just going to go and grab this image, and we're going to swap it out. I'm going to upload this new image, which is this one here. As we can see, the file size is 111K. We're going to add that in, and it's going up. Now I'm just going to format this because the title, the alt text, is critical because Google can't see images. They can only see the words, and with voice search, the words and the how and meaningful words and sentences are critical. So we're just going to save that, and then we're going to save the image. We're going to update the page, and when we have a look at the front end, I'll just refresh this. It makes no difference to the actual look at the image, yet it's 20 times smaller. Okay, so we went from 2 meg down to 110K for that image. So you only want to have resize it to the maximum size you're ever going to need for your website. So the tools we used were tinypng.com. Okay, so the thing is that you want to resize, rename, then compress an image before you upload it into your media library. Okay, and that's how. So if the image is already in your media library and you've done this all wrong, just go to each image, grab the link of where they are, and open a new browser window, paste it in there, and download them. Okay, and just download them and start again. So that's how you do it, guys. So that's important that you, for the speed of your website to load, you only want the maximum size that you, maximum physical size, like 800 by 600 or 600 by 400, whatever you need for that page on your website. That's the maximum size you want, and then you want it as light as you can be as well. So that's why then you compress it, because you want it as light as you can, because you want it to load fast. You want your page to load fast. It'll keep Google happy, and you won't be penalized for a slow loading page. So I hope that was helpful. Please click subscribe on this YouTube channel, and you'll catch the next update, handy update that comes through. So this is Dave from FindNet Solutions. Reach out to us if you get stuck, you need a hand. Talk soon.